Secrets of Success. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to Wisdom with Salman Faiz. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we're diving into a topic that is not only practical but transformative: secrets of success. Success isn't just about achieving wealth or fame, it's about living a meaningful, fulfilling, and balanced life. So, grab a notebook, because today, I'm sharing 6 powerful secrets that can truly change your life. 1. Manage your health. Let's start with the foundation of all success: health. You've probably heard the saying, health is wealth. It's true. A strong mind resides in a healthy body. Without good health, it's nearly impossible to perform your best. What does this mean practically? It means prioritizing your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Eat nutritious food, avoid junk, and drink plenty of water. Get regular exercise. Even a daily 30-minute walk can work wonders. Take care of your mental health by managing stress and sleeping well. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also emphasized balance in eating and sleeping. Remember, when your body is in peak condition, you have the energy to pursue your dreams. 2. Manage your efforts. Next, let's talk about efforts. Nothing worth having comes easy. Success requires consistent and smart work. Notice I said smart work, because effort without direction is wasted energy. Set clear goals and break them into smaller, achievable steps. Stay disciplined and focus on doing one thing at a time. Multitasking often leads to mediocrity. One of my favorite quotes from the Quran is, "Man will have nothing but what he strives for." Surah An-Nur 39. This reminds us that success is tied to effort. So, are you ready to put in the work? 3. Manage your time. Now, let's discuss time management. Time is the most precious resource we have, yet it's the one we often waste. Start by tracking how you spend your day. You'll be surprised at how much time goes into distractions like scrolling through social media. Here's a tip: follow the 80-20 rule. Spend 80% of your time on tasks that bring 80% of your results. Prioritize what matters. As Muslims, we are taught to pray 5 times a day, which instills discipline in our daily routines. Use this divine structure as an anchor to plan your day around. 4. Manage your money. Success also involves financial management. Money isn't the ultimate goal, but it's a necessary tool for achieving your dreams. Learn to budget and save wisely. Avoid debt unless it's absolutely necessary. A book that really inspired me is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It teaches the importance of financial literacy, understanding how money works. Give charity regularly because Allah promises to increase what you give in His way. Financial success isn't just about earning, it's also about spending wisely and helping others. 5. Manage your relationships. Another secret to success is managing relationships. No one succeeds in isolation. The people you surround yourself with either lift you higher or pull you down. Build relationships based on trust and respect. Avoid toxic people who drain your energy. Instead, spend time with those who inspire you to become better. Always be willing to forgive and resolve conflicts. Life is too short for grudges. As the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The best of you are those who are best to their families." Success isn't just about your achievements, it's about how you treat others. 6. Manage your relationship with God. And the final secret, your relationship with Allah, SWT. No matter how successful you become in worldly terms, without a strong connection to your Creator, your heart will always feel empty. Make dua regularly. Ask Allah for guidance and strength. Stay consistent in your prayers, because they keep you grounded. Reflect on the Quran for wisdom and direction. Remember the verse from Surah Al-Ankabut, "And whoever strives in our cause, we will surely guide them to our paths." True success lies in earning the pleasure of Allah. So, there you have it, the 6 secrets of success: managing your health, efforts, time, money, relationships, and most importantly, your relationship with Allah. Success isn't about luck, it's about making conscious choices and taking consistent action. If this video added value to your life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which of these secrets you'll start applying today. Until next time, stay wise and stay connected to the source of all wisdom. I will also recommend to do our Asan Quran course that will enable you to understand Quran without its translation. You will grasp it in a divine words Arabic. Also, we have a playlist for Dars Quran and Asan Arabic grammar. You can join our live Zoom classes every Friday. Link is available in description. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Allah Hafiz.